What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on a headliner and how to repair missing pieces off the headliners and or cracks. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is a headliner I have for a client, and it's a Lexus GS. I believe it's a 2002, 2003. It's an older car, so then the headliners are very brittle, and usually what happens, see little stress cracks, either just from the use having it there for so long, or from when taking it off, you pry and it just breaks. I have a couple all over the headliner. This one's actually held on just by a little bit by glue. Most of it was held on by the actual fabric, but once I took the fabric off, pieces started coming off. You know, it was just being held on by the fabric. So on today's episode, we're gonna basically put on the old pieces back on using this contact cement. Hopefully it will fix the issue, and this should put it back into place, and that way we could wrap this in suede and give it back to the client. All right, so we'll start with this side. I believe a handle or a light goes here and it's broken, just like the other side is actually snapped off. So we're going to use a contact cement. It says before use, make sure you use a well ventilated area. Once you grab it, just shake it before use, and you're gonna apply it. There you go. All right. Oh, very gooey. So it's like an adhesive. Has a brush attachment on it, and basically you're just gonna just wet it. I don't know if you can see that. And then you're gonna let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. The moment you put them together, it should glue on. Let's go around and do all the other sides. Okay, so for this one, you're gonna fill this up with the glue. And you're gonna do the other part too. So it'll be all this. So the moment you put it back, once you let it dry for a bit, the moment you put it back, it should literally instantly connect and stick onto each other. This is the more important part, since I do need to wrap it. So hopefully this will get a good enough bond that it will stick. All right, so this is about 15 minutes after, and once I glued it on, there you go. You gotta make sure it's not stretching or anything, because you see it's kind of stretching right there. But you just adjust the headliner wherever you want it, and it should stick on. But it worked all around. It's glued on. So basically, you put that on, contact cement, and you put it on, and then you put on both sides, and then you put it for 15 minutes at least. Once you put them together, it's contact. So it'll, as soon as it contacts, Tins rock hard into cement, and then yeah, it's pretty much the repairs. I did it all around. Just this one didn't really have enough space. It got look like it got chopped off, whatever. But other than that, the other ones, this is the most important part, and it looks great. But it closes up all the other ones which needed repairs, so I'm happy with that. All right guys, so that was a very simple video. I had trouble looking on the internet for it. I did find in the forums of a certain car, and it showed me, gave me this idea for this contact cement. Also, I asked a couple people and they told me to use this. It's awesome, and it worked out great. And now I'm gonna let it dry, really dry, before I actually wrap it in suede. But hopefully this will help you guys, help somebody out there that needs this little tiny repair. I know you could use it on shoes. Sometimes the soles come out and you could use that and it'll work great. Metal, anything that needs bond, and it works great with a lot of stuff. So make sure to check that out. Please guys, follow our IG and Facebook. I'm gonna be doing a lot of more projects that I do not post here. I'm starting to do starlights, so that's a new thing that I will make a video eventually on. It's just very time consuming and it's very hard to be like basically vlogging it type of thing. So but I will make a video on that. Follow our social medias to keep up to date with us. And but yeah, once again guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.